name's Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Not sure what I'm going to do today. I think I'll start off by showing you some things. You saw on my back wall this quilt for a while and I quilted it up and I wasn't sure whether to put on a quilt as you go border or just bind it. Well, I decided to just bind it. And this is the quilt. It's a big one. You can't see the quilting that much, but I've done swirls on it, just gone round the things that are in the pictures, swirls, feathers on it, and fits exactly on the top of the bed, which is where I wanted it for. I also realised that I haven't actually made that much over the past couple of months, and what I have been making you've seen me do, such as the coasters, the seatbelt pad cushions. This one I actually started last week, last Thursday I think it was, yeah, Thursday. I told you that before that I subscribed to Mum Pop Quilt Shop, and she started doing the other week a triple Irish chain, and I thought it was really nice, so I had a go and I did brown ones first of all. Then I thought, I still haven't decided what I'm doing with that, but then I thought, I'll make it in different colours, and I made another two in different colours. The next day, which was last Friday, my mother came down to see me and she said, oh, I could do with a couple of cushion covers for my car, and I've got the cushions, just need covers, and I want them 18 inches. So I thought, yes, I'll do her a load of things. So I did another two of the squares and then sewed it all together, and it's now a throw blanket that will go across the back seat, so if you've got any passengers that get a bit chilly or whatever, you can go over them, or whatever. Or in summer you could use it as a picnic blanket if she goes picnicking. And I shrunk it down in size because the squares work out at 22, so I missed the outer ones off, so to be 18-inch squares, and I made two cushion covers for her that match, that will go on her cushions in the car. And out of the few squares I got left over, I made some of the cushion pads for go on seat belts, and they match, and all she wanted was two cushion covers. But yeah, I love me mum like I love sewing, so she's got it all. But I've spent 2 days sorting through. I ordered yet some more fabric which came, and been trying to sort out where I store it. So I'll get the camera and show you. This by the side of my ironing table is where I'm storing all my fabrics that have got a pattern, whether it be something as simple as gingham or polka dots or flowers, or I've got cats down here, elephants, sheep. I've even got my Christmas motifs on, so anything that's got a pattern in it, more than one solid colour, is going there. And I have got the solid colours over the other side where I say, but this you won't see too well. This is a fabric bag that I made a while ago, but this is all non-quilting or dressmaking fabric. So there's a lot of it is curtain material actually, and there is some of the leather rubbery stuff there as well, and there's the fake leather in here. So this is where all my curtain material, which I sometimes use as backing for my wall hanging quilts. There's all my stuff for making bags as well, and it also a lining for them. So that's where I'm storing all them. They aren't carded yet, they just lay there because I've run out of cardboard boxes to cut up and use. Under there is all my plain fabrics, solids, no patterns at all. And that's where I'm storing them at the moment. And in this plastic tote box is all my dressmaking fabric, minus a few things, because I'm going through and I'm going to actually make some clothes out of some of them. But these polar fleeces, yes, my son's come up with an idea for his Christmas present, so I'll show you that when I do it. And there's all different other sorts of dressmaking fabric in there. That's another one of the polar fleeces. This is, I quite like it, I think. I'm not sure, but I'm going through my patterns as well and see what there is, see what I can go through. This is just a quick video showing you how things are at the moment. If I make something, I'll let you know. There's, under here I've got a pattern out I'm reading, because I want to make this into a poncho coat, winter coat, but I've got some other fabric hiding under there. 3 tops, pair of leggings, pair of ski pants and a coat. So that's what I've got planned for the next few days. Oh yes, another thing I did make. I wasn't sure how my machine would take on this. It's a fake leather vinyl type thing, and it's just plain handbag, rear zip pocket, and it's brilliant, and the machine took it lovely. So I've got some more of this material left, so I think I might be making a few more of these. So they're really nice as Christmas presents. Also, another go at a purse, and you've got all your things in, your zip pocket. I even put my phone at the back. It isn't at the moment because it's on charge. And you've got a little spot for anything else, and notes or whatever. So that's another attempt at a purse. I'm getting better at them. It just takes time for me to sort out, because I refuse, well, I don't refuse, I don't want to buy patterns. I want to see if I can do it myself.